The grand tests in the speed app are very nice. I have attempted all of them. The questions are very similar to the actual exam that I finally saw the questions in the exam. So I would like to thank the whole speed app, because sitting in a remote place like Bihar, Purnia, I could get access to this kind of learning through this app. So I'm very thankful to the whole team. Thank you so much.
I bring in all the wishes and greetings on behalf of all the faculty members to Dr. Amjad Sayeed for scoring a topmost rank of AML 6 in specialty of MCH Surgical Gastroenterology in NEET session, April 2026. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Great, doctor. Now, can you know a brief background about yourself, where you started till date, what all you have done?
I am from Purnia, Bihar. I have done my MBBS from AIMS Patna, and I did my MS from PGI Chandigarh. Then I did 1 year of senior residency at PGI, and then I appeared for this exam.
Fantastic. Excellent. Why a special interest towards surgical gastro?
It's basically the branch is itself very interesting for me, and I developed the interest when I was in second year and was posted in surgical gastro. So that's when I developed the interest. Even procedures like Whipples and hepatectomies, I used to watch it for long, and I never used to get tired. So that's when I realized I actually wanted to pursue this branch only.
Okay, great. Amazing. Doctor, can you know what is your preparation strategy and key behind the success to achieve this rank?
I was doing my senior residency last year at PJ. It was quite hectic, but then I got to know about this app, that is a speed app, in July. So I got 1 year subscription at that time. So whenever I used to get a little time, I used to watch videos, lectures of Dr. Basant sir. So it was small sessions of 10-20 minutes, like that only. I did not appear for the last exam because I was not feeling, I had not practiced enough, and I was still practicing there. So I was just watching and enjoying the sessions. I finished the videos by January of this month, and I watched the whole video sessions twice.
Okay.
And after that, I started practicing the questions from January to the exam. I have been practicing the questions and again revising those notes. So that have been very helpful for me.
Great, doctor. How many questions were you able to attend this exam?
I attempted 77 questions.
So the weightage of this paper was more of a general surgery or more of a surgical gastro? What you felt was difficult for you?
I think it was more towards surgical gastro. Lots of questions were there from surgical gastro. Maybe because of the mix-up also. A few of the questions that I asked to my peers, they had also got similar questions from in the general surgery section. So I felt that more of gastro surgery was there.
Okay. Doctor, what will be your advice for the future aspirants of MCA surgical gastro?
Because I have been it has almost been 1 year for me, and I have focused for the last 3 and 4 months. So I feel first, the concept building is very important. So as I used to watch Basant sir videos, so the concept building is very important. And then you have to smoothen it and by practicing questions. The grand tests in the speed app are very nice. I have attempted all of them. And the questions are very similar to the actual exam that I finally saw the questions in the exam. So these two things are there. First, we have to build the concept. And it is quite a little easier to crack this exam because only one subject, like surgical gastro, they ask a lot of questions. And then there are other questions which you can go through general surgery. Awesome.
Great. Doctor, time to thank and whom all you want to thank. You feel that they helped you to achieve what you're today from day one.
My mom, first of all. My father is not there, but my mom has always been supportive to me. My elder brother, my younger brother, my sister, they have always been supportive to me. For the last 3 months, I have been at my home only, and I was preparing from there. I would like to thank Basant sir, the whole speed app, because sitting in a remote place like Bihar, Purnia, I could get access to this kind of learning through this app. So I'm very thankful to the whole team. Thank you so much. Thank you to you also, sir.
Great, doctor. Wonderful. We once again wish you all the very best and all the success for a great, wonderful, and amazing, fabulous career in MCA Surgical Gastroenterology. Best wishes to you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.